What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to program one of these astronomical time clocks, the Intermatic version. So first things first, set this to set instead of for run. You just pull that little tab down, and if you get, like I have, a little piece of zip tie, you can get in here and hit the reset button and hold the clear at the same time, and then release the reset button, and then you can release the clear button after it says reset up here. So now once you're on the date here, today is November 19th. That's the day that I'm doing this. And then you just hit OK. The current time, which for me is 7:34 a.m. So hit the AM button on that. My zone is actually 5. I am in Maryland, so that is my time zone. You'll have to figure out which time zone you are for yours, which means that my lights will go off at 7:06 a.m. and they will come on at 4:49 p.m. And then you can go to program here. How many days of the week do you want to do that? We're going to select all. And then for the time they switch on, we'll select astronomical. They switch off, use the astronomical time, and hit OK. And then that should be all you need. Switch this back to run. It's going to save it. And now, today is Wednesday, which is the 4th day. It is 7:34 a.m. And now this will run on the astronomical time clock, turn on and off in its time zone like it's supposed to. So that is how you set that. Hopefully this helps. Enjoy your day.